Hi friends, welcome to our channel Easy Learning Lab. In my previous videos, we have covered topic like DML, DCL, DQL, and we have also done some practical examples on it. In my current video, we will learn the join, the SQL joins. For SQL joins, we should have the two tables, and on basis of the condition, join condition, it gives the results. Basically, we have four types of joins: inner join, equi join. Inner and equi join are basically same thing. Left join, outer join, and a full join. And we have one more type of join. It is not a join basically. It is basically known as a Cartesian product. So we will cover that topic also. So if you like my channel, you just subscribe my channel and you can watch my latest videos. And if you have any questions, you can write a comments on me. I will answer it, or you can mail me on my mail ID so that I can answer your questions. If you want these notes and this PDF, in the description section, you can download. You can see a link there, and you can download all these scripts. So today we will do theory knowledge on SQL joins. In my next video, we will do practicals on joins. So let's start. So for this, I have taken two tables. One table is customer and second table is department. Customer table has the columns customer ID, name, age, and department ID. And department table contains department ID and department name. See, the department ID is present in both the tables. This department is a department master. Department is a department master, and customer contains the information related to the department. I will tell you what is this relation. Basically, we have a concept of primary key, foreign key, which I have not covered yet, but I will cover in my next videos. I will cover this topic also. But for a time being, considered we have a two record set. So we start with our inner join. See this diagram. Just remember this diagram. This is basically a set operator. If A is a set, B is a set, and the common element between A and B gives us the inner join output. Like if we have a A set which contain 1 and 2 values, and in B set we contain 2 and 3 values. So what is the common part? 2 is the common part. So 2 will be the output. Same way our joins work. See, all the rows which matches the condition in both the tables. What is the syntax of it? Select star from customer inner join. This is basically a ASCII syntax. When we do the practice, I will tell you how to use the other way also. There is a plus sign, there is a plus symbol also. So I will tell you when we do practical example. So for time being, I am using an ASCII symbol. Select star from customer inner join. I have written this condition inner join. Very important condition. It is an inner join. Department on customer. What is the joining condition between department, customer department, and department ID? So we have put a star. So it will give all the rows from both the tables which have satisfied that condition. Means the common part of them. So what is the common part? So I will just 1. It will give John this 1 the first record. It will give the second record also. 2. It will give the third record also. It will give the fourth record also. It will give the fifth record also. It will give the sixth record also. It will give the seventh record also. But it will not give the last record. Why? Because this 5 is not present in the department table. So it will not give this result in our result set. So see, this is the output. We received 7 records in our result, but we have not received the last record. Why? Because it contains 5, which is not present in department. So the common part between them is shown in the inner join. Okay, understood? Just try this, practice it. You will understand it. It's very simple logic. Simply, just remember this set operator. Now we will come to a left join. or it is also known as the left outer join. This will return all the rows from the left side table and matches row from the right side table. So our left side table is a customer table. See this set operator and this table B. So what it gives? It gives all the records from the left side table. Your left side table, left hand side tables. It gives all the records from that table. So see, what is the syntax of it? And which are not in the right side table, what that element will do? So it will put a null there. So see, select name. I am just for a time being, I am just taking name and department name columns, not all the columns, because otherwise it will make confusion. For customer, see, this is a keyword left outer join department, and this is the joining condition department. So how many records it give? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It gives all the records because in our record set, in our table, it contains our right side table is customer table. Our left side table is a customer table. See, in our customer table, we have 8 records. So it will give all the records from this table. See, this is the output. It gives all the records from this table. But we know in our department table, we don't have a fifth department, number 5 department, which department ID is 5, it does not contain. So what it does, it put a null there. Okay. Similarly, we have a right outer join. Right outer join, what it does, it gives all the elements from the right table, and which are not matching in the left table, it will put a null. See, the syntax is very simple. Right outer join with this on, this is the condition. So how many records it did? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 records. And for a last record, it puts as a null. Why it puts as a null? This contains 8 records. Because marketing. In marketing, there is no customer in the marketing. See, I will tell you with the record set. Like 4 is present here? No. So this is there, this is there, this is there, this is there, 4 number is there, 5 number is there, 6 number is there, 7 number is there. But 1, 2, 3, all these will give, and for this 4 records, it will also print this 4 record with a null value. It will not give this record. It is giving this record because the right side table, it gives all elements from the right side table. Okay. So it will give null for this marketing because there is no customer in our customer table. So the last join is a full join. Full join means it gives all the records from both the tables. It does not matter whether it contains data or not. It gives all the records. So see, it contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 records. Why? We have 8 records in customer table and 4 records in our department table. 8 record, last record whose ID is department ID is 5. It does not contain a department table. It will give this Shankar also, this Shankar null, and the last record, and there is one more record which marketing, like 4 number which has no customer. So it will give that record also. So how many total records? 9 records. So the syntax is very simple. Here we should have a full join. It should not be in a right join. It's a typo mistake. I will correct it. Okay. So you just understand the concept for full outer join. You have to write the full keyword. And this is about the Cartesian cross join basically, which is also known as a Cartesian product. What it does, it matches. It takes the first record. It gives all the records from the B table. It matches with all the records from the B table. From second record, it matches all the records from the C table. From the B table, for the third record, it display all the records from the B table. So there is a golden rule for that. If the table contains n records and table B contain m records, then final output will be n plus m. Like in this diagram, if table A contain 1, 2, 3 records, table B contain A, B, C. So means this contains 3 into 3. It will give 9 records. It is a Cartesian product. Like first record, first record, first record, second record, first record, third record. Second record, first, second record, second, second record, third. Third record, first, third record, second, third record, third. So this is basically a cross join. So if we apply this cross join in our record set, so we don't mention any where condition or we don't mention an on condition here. What it does, it gives us, we have 8 records in our customer table and 4 records in our department table. So what it does, 8 into 4, it gives 32 records. So if you don't mention the condition, if you don't mention any joint condition, it just gives a cross Cartesian product. Remember this thing. Joints are very important. You have to mention the condition. Like on clause, you have to mention, or in where clause, you have to put an equal condition. What is the joining condition between it? If you don't mention, it will do a Cartesian product. Thank you, friends. This thing is all about joints. In my next video, I will do some practice on our editor, and I will tell you how joints work. Keep watching my video and subscribe my channel. Also, if you want these notes, you can see in the description section there is a link. You can download this all these materials from that link. So thank you, friends. Have a good day. Bye.